Bro, what the heck? Watch this, I'm gonna scare him. Hey, buddy!
What the fuck?
Man, I forgot how much this thing got up. Jesus! What is up, guys? What is up, P-Fam? We're back with another video. It is a beautiful 65-degree day here in Pennsylvania. December day, therefore. And as you guys can tell, I am ecstatic. I'm excited. I haven't ridden this thing in God knows how long. Give it some gas, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Open her up, buddy. But man, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. It's been a while. Not really sure as for what we got planned for today's video. Just kind of riding around, enjoying this beautiful weather. And as you can see from that intro, I had a man's riding around behind my house in one of those glider things. I don't even know what they're called. But yeah, it's funny. Going over here to see what my buddy's up to. And I just noticed my mirror's broken, guys. Unfortunate. Man, that sucks. I'll have to re-glue it or something. It's just a mirror, so it ain't that big a deal. Yeah, that thing is wobbly like a mofo. But yeah, some stuff about the channel. Crazy, guys. We are at last time I checked, we were roughly around like 88, 90 subscribers, something like that. I don't know what is all going on since I haven't looked at it in a few days, and if I'm not accurate, whatever, I'll fix it. But yeah, guys, crazy. I gained some of the most subscribers off of doing shorts and stuff. So like I said in the last video, from determining on what's going on with the channel, guys, that was my plan, and that's gonna continue to be the plan because I'm not riding in this cold weather. It was 5 degrees here in Pennsylvania the other day, and now all of a sudden it's 70, 80 degrees outside. So yeah, no clue what's going on. What in the shit is he doing? Watch this, I'm gonna scare him. Hey, buddy!
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Scared the shit out of me.
It smells like dog. Huh? Smells like dog.
Yeah, dog hit me in there.
Yeah.
That can scare me.
He's like, woo, woo. I got out early.
Oh,
beautiful day, I'm gonna ride the bike.
Ride the bike?
Yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn my headlight out.
Let me on this.
Alright guys, I'll catch up with y'all then. Peace out. Guys, we're back. Had to say hello to the bruh, you know. But yeah, like I said, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna head out here on 83. Actually, you know what? We'll go on some back road riding. That's what we'll do. We do some back road talking. But yeah. Yeah, but guys, like I said, we're almost to our 100 subscriber goal. Like I said, I'm gonna go in front of this guy real quick. Man, I forgot how much this thing got up. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna have to move my phone from my pocket because I have it like It's not like in my pocket, it's like, I got like a zipper pocket that's below my pocket, and it's like sitting kind of in between my thigh and my butt cheek.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I do not like it sitting there, man. It's like, I don't know, it's weird. Oh, someone's burning something. Ew. Yeah, but thankfully enough, boss let me out a little early today. Get to ride a little bit, you know. I'm excited, man. I'm happy, man. It's like I lost part of myself, you know what I mean? Like, not being able to ride in the winter like this sucks. Sucks, man. All right, we're gonna turn it in here real quick. Boop 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 boop. Boop 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 boop. So yeah, like I was talking about, channel's blowing up, everything like that. I mean, obviously I'm not blowing up like all these other crazy YouTubers and everything like that, but almost to 100 subscribers. Once we hit that, if you guys would go ahead and go follow the Instagram, I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, like I've been saying this entire time. So if you guys head over there, gonna be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers once we hit that, and then hopefully after that I'm gonna put it up for oh man, that's a G-Wagon, holy crap. Put it up for 500 subscribers, and then we'll do a giveaway at 500, 1,000, and they're on, and we'll just keep going. So yeah, guys, head over there, make sure you guys subscribe to the Instagram. It is I'm pretty sure it is Mr_P Moto. I do shorts and stuff there, and that's another place where I upload a little more often than I do on YouTube. But yeah, this is how it's gonna be for the rest of the winter. I'm gonna get out when I can, when it's nice weather like this, when it's like insanely nice out for no reason. So yeah, that's gonna be the plan for what's going on with the channel. But yeah, back to riding and everything. Man, I feel like I've been gone for so long. I know I said that already, but man, I missed you guys. Yeah, we'll head out. Honestly, it's kind of boring on these back roads. I ain't got much to talk about. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out. We're gonna hit 30. See if we can get into anything with anybody riding around. What is this? Oh my God, what am I seeing around here, guys? Jesus. Oh man, though. Yeah, I can't wait till summer, honestly. We're gonna be having some crazy videos this summer coming up. You guys will have to let me know. I was low-key thinking about selling both bikes. I know. Hear me out first, hear me out. So I've been looking at getting like a cool sports car to kind of have, like an old vintage like style sports car, just to like have in the garage to take the track days and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. I was looking at a Porsche 944. So my initial planning and thinking was that I was going to sell both bikes and then get that, and then this summer, once I save up a bit of money, I will get another bike, a better bike. I might get, honestly, I think they're saying something about it coming out this spring, but I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. But apparently the R9 is legit. It's happening, guys. So I might be checking out an R9. I might get a brand new R9, and if that's the case, whew, man, I can't wait. But yeah, big things coming to the channel for the springtime. So drop a comment, guys. Let me know if you'd like to see a Porsche 944 on the channel. But yeah, so we're gonna get out here, hit the highway. So I'll catch up with you guys then. Peace out, guys. What is that sound? Oh, we got the little biker gang out. Oh, we got the little biker gang out, eh? Hold on a minute. We might come here a minute and go see what's up. See what's up to the gang. They probably all GROMS and shit though. Be alright though. See what's going on with the gang, bruh. The visor up so I can see them when they coming. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm recording this, but I guess we'll see. I can always get off at the exit up here, turn around real quick. No rush, no hurry. Oh yeah, they are back there. Oh. Oh man, they got off, didn't they? Yeah, they did. Oh well. They're just a bunch of GROMS anyway. Oh. I gripped up too much on my rear brake there. Yeah, I gotta get off the highway, guys. I almost just crashed. That would not have been good. Oh man. I feel like something got jacked up, but oh well. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know there wasn't that much action that we got, but hopefully stay tuned guys. Make sure you do turn on notifications because I do upload shorts weekly. I do that weekly, just funny clips, things like that, things from past videos. So that is for if you guys are new. Make sure you do subscribe if you are and enjoyed the content. Turn on notifications like I just said. And yeah, peace out guys. That's gonna be it for today's video. Love y'all.